Hello everyone, welcome to a new session. In this session, I am going to discuss our brand new load testing app with you people. Basically, why we are launching a new platform for load testing? Because when you don't know about the load testing of your server, then you maybe misunderstood the capacity of server, and maybe you can't understand what website to add on that server, how much load that server can handle, and how this server will behave in a load. So better to test load before doing anything. So this is not a speed testing app. This is a load testing app. There is a difference between website speed test and server load testing. So this is an app that will provide you detail about like what to do, how your server will behave when good load is added on it. So basically, in this session, what I will explain to you how you can perform load testing using our new app and how this is beneficial for you. So, if you have a platform account on platform.cyberpanel.net, you can uh, log in there. If you don't have, must do the sign up on platform.cyberperson.net.com. Now let's come to the load testing app. Here you can see load testing. We have three options: create a test, the record of test, that is my test, and then target host. The first thing that you have to do is to add a target host in your account for the host that you are going to perform load testing. So the first thing first is how you can add a new target host that can you can just provide your domain, like I provide this domain, and you can choose HTTP, HTTPS, both will work. So these are done on port 8080 or port 443. So you can choose like HTTP or HTTPS. You do not need to specify why you do not, because we check the both variant automatically. So I already added one, but I didn't verify it yet. So I can show you how you can verify this. Once you add all the detail like the domain name and click the save button, this information will be shown. Download this file or create this file with this name. Like I am going to do some manual things, so things will be easy for you. You can directly download from here and you can upload this file in your website. Otherwise, you can create the file with this name and then this name, and then you can add this text. Let's do these first two steps, and the upload thing. This one is the easy thing, so you can leave this and let's do this step like create this in the public HTML of this website. Here we have, and then we are in public HTML. I created a new file that is the same name that I copied from them. Then I just copied this. I just need to copy this and then I have to add in this file. Let's click the save button. Okay, I just saved this file. Now let's open this and verify if this file is there. Okay, good. The file is there. The records are there. Let's verify this. Oh, great. It's verified now. The verification is a very, very easy process here. So the verification is done. Action, like what is the status? The server is ready to test. Now let's create a test. Okay. Here I did first test, then select the host. I selected my host. If you want to select any endpoint, like this is my e-commerce endpoint, I want to test this, you can add there. Otherwise you can test on the whole main website. So I am going to test the get method. I am going to send the number of client on this is 10, and I am going to keep the time minimum like 1 minute. Let's start this test. Okay, the test is started. The test is in running state. Once after 1 minute, like you can see here, test is running. Let it be done. Okay, it will be done in a 1 minute. So the thing is, why we need the server testing? You have sometime blogs, you have sometime e-commerce shops. You get a VPS, you get a server, and you want to host a high your valued website. But this website have a lot of traffic. But how I can test that this server will handle that traffic? So in that case, you can perform a test, load testing, send some client on that server, get the result, judge that result, either it is good for your website or not, and then go ahead. If you are not doing this, then maybe after migrating to that server, issue will be happen to you. So here, response count is 7, trends are 5589.6, and then response time is good. This millisecond bandwidth is this. We can see no errors. We can see results are coming from our present test. The test is still running, but results are coming like what we are getting by sending those client on the server. What is the response count time? What is the time to first byte? That is good. What is the bandwidth? That is what benefit we are receiving, because this is the get method. So here are all the records that we are getting. So 10 client running for a minute, and these are some results of our test. So this is in running state. Meanwhile, let's check what is in my test. So my test is running. You can view results from here. What I am getting from this test. So this is our new app that have all this option, and the use of app is very easy. Now I am opening the comment section for you people to ask us anything about this load testing app. You can ask any question, any recommendation, any like anything. You can ask how you can choose the server. You can ask anything that you have in your mind. We are open for question. We will give you all the answer in comment box, and as well as we will try to create our next session for this as recorded video that we will share with you after getting all the question, and we will answer you for all of those questions. Take care. Goodbye.